This is an exciting moment. Oh, I finally got my seat back, which actually took me about an hour and a half to track down because, well, UPS in their infinite wisdom, they actually delivered this one block and one avenue over. But I was able to use the delivery picture they sent me, along with, you can kind of view your package delivery on a map. It's not perfect, but between the two, it guided me in the right direction after I was driving around the whole neighborhood. But it drove me in the right direction, got me close, and then I saw the house and I saw the package, and very nice people. I went up, I rang the bell. I says, I'm not trying to steal your package. This is actually mine. It did have the right address, so to Corbin's credit, they shipped it right. To UPS's discredit, they really screwed it up. I mean, again, address number completely wrong, street completely wrong. I guess it could be worse. I could have not found it, so I'm not going to complain too much. But I'm excited to see what it looks like. So, without further ado, let's just rip this stuff out and get this. Oh, I give them credit. It's packaged really well. Let's see. Handle your new Corbin saddle with care. Avoid contact with any hard surfaces. Do not drop or stand on end. Vinyl can tear easily. It's not supposed to be vinyl. Just saying. Oh, I like it. I do like it. So I went with, I believe it was a smoke bomber, I think it was called, or like a dark bomber. Oh, they did a nice job. They definitely did a nice job. Ah, look at that. I don't think that was on the seat before. I don't think it had a spot to hook a backrest up. That's slick. Let's see. Yeah, finished nice. There's the mount. Yeah, see? I don't know if you could see it in the light, but that kind of weathered sort of look. Oh, they did a beautiful job. Now, let's see how it looks. So, I'm gonna cut this zip ties that have been holding the Fat Boy seat on while I've been riding it, because, you know, that's totally a legit way to do things, right? Yeah. Hey, listen, it worked. It allowed me to put, a couple of miles on it. More than a couple of miles, really. 330 miles. So it allowed me to put 330 miles on it, sit in some traffic, get it, get on the throttle. I'll just pop this back on the Fat Boy. Even though this is not the seat that Ray is gonna ride to Sturgis with. I wouldn't want to ride to Sturgis with that seat. Oh, let's see. Oh, look at that. They give me new nuts too. Locking nuts. All right. New nuts, new washers. The turnaround was actually reasonably quick. And I gotta give them credit. They really did work with me to make sure I got exactly what I wanted. Like, as far as the, is that in? No. Let's see. There, that's in. So it's gonna go up like that and drop in. I like it. Yeah. I gotta double check now that No, there's plenty of clearance for the catch can. Oh, I think that suits it. Little Corbin insignia there. I think this suits it perfectly. Oh, now I'm excited. All right, well, that's gonna be it for right now. Again, after what I just went through, trying to find the seat, thinking the seat was lost, and now finding it, getting it, it came out perfect, exactly kind of what I'm looking for. Like it almost even matches this, you know. This is, oh, it's sweet. It is a sweet seat. Okay, some work to do to get this thing on correctly. Unfortunately, I think we got rain in the forecast, so don't think I'll be trying this seat out today, tomorrow, but soon. Finally, securely in the saddle. All right, let me get to work.